Alright guys, here's how you can make a meme using your phone. This is a Galaxy, but any Android phone will work with any iPhone, so this is the basics. So let's say I want to make a meme about plastic covered furniture. So I go to Google, free photos, plastic covered furniture. And then you get like a picture of like a couch with plastic on it, and click on that. So here's what you can do. You can take a screenshot by hitting your power button and your down volume button. Whoops. You have to hit them at the same time. If you don't, you'll get something like that. Cancel. Let's try that one more time. And then this will pop up. Hit the middle button when that pops up. That is the crop tool. And then when you hit the crop tool, it should pop up on the biggest picture right there. And it should form like a bit of a border around the biggest picture. Now this time it didn't, so you can see here where the corners of the frames are. You can grab those and move those so that you can isolate the area of the image that you want. And for me, that's right about here. And I'm going to leave some space at the bottom so I can type. So once you have this picture, you can hit save. When you hit save, it goes into your gallery. So you go to gallery, which I happen to have moved onto my desktop, but if you don't have it there, you just go into your menu with your icons, you hit gallery, and you can see a picture of a couch there. Now you can edit this picture by pressing the pencil looking icon at the bottom, and you can do various things to it. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of text, and there's some options here. You can have the text be right justified, left justified, or centered. So I'm going to center mine. You can pick a font. There's a couple here, not too many different choices, but there's a couple. So I'll go with like, I don't know, neat. And then also you can pick the color that the text is going to be in. Well, first you can pick just like, it's just going to type text. Or you can press this button and you'll have text inside a balloon, like a little bubble. So if you want to do like a thought bubble or something like that. If you do it normal, it just comes up like, that. So you can scroll through those and see what style you want. Since this is a white background, I'm just going to type, and I'm going to type something funny like, well, I'm going to say it out loud. Let's see if this works with the, you can either type or try it with the microphone. Remember your crazy aunt who covered her couch in plastic? Maybe not so crazy after all. And then when you're done, hit tap to pause, go back like that. Now you can move this text around. You can edit it, which is what I want to do because they spelled ant wrong. And they spell he instead of who. WHO. Go to HER. Here we'll add a question mark. And then 1, 2, 3. Now you can move the text. So you hit done, and now the text is there. You can move the text around on the picture. So I'm going to put that down here. And when you're done with with putting it in the spot that you want on the picture, see what I'm saying? Like this whole moves around the whole text balloon. So you can put it right where you want it. And then hit save. And now you've just made a meme, and now you can share it with your friends. And you can hit share, and then it'll pop up for different ways for you to share. So you can share to, via text message or Facebook or anything like that. But anyway, that's one way to make a meme on your phone without downloading a special app to do it. So yeah, if this was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Out of work right now, so subscription would be great, because maybe I can get paid by YouTube, and that'll be awesome. So maybe I'll just start my new career. Appreciate the help, guys. I hope you guys are safe out there. Have a lot of fun with these, and ask questions if you need to. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help. Thanks. Take care.